Yo, 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 yo. Just wanted to make an update video on the current Twitch Grow setup. This is our interactive, remotely controlled grow room, so people around the world can water it, turn the light on, turn the fans on, all this. We usually have a cannabis plant in here, but this time I put 2 California peppers in here because I thought it'd be cool to grow some peppers, see how bell peppers grow, right? And you guys can see we have a flower and a little pepper growing inside. They're doing super nice. We really haven't done much. Added a little bit of Gaia Green at the beginning and have just been watering with straight tap water, keeping an eye on all the data points using the Pulse Hub. But yeah, overall, I'm super excited to see how these turn out. You can see all the flowers in there. Same with this one, tons of different flowers in there. Where all the flowers are, hopefully a pepper grows. But seeing that flower right there is an awesome sight. But yeah, guys, if you guys are interested in joining in, learning together, growing together, this is our remotely controlled grow room. It's a lot of fun. Check it out. The links will be in the description. It is all run through Twitch. So if you guys are familiar with Twitch, it's a lot of fun. A lot of fun. Peace, love, and cheers.